Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change YouTube video playback speed on both desktop and mobile devices. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. We'll start on desktop. In the YouTube video player, move your cursor over the video and look for the small cog icon in the bottom right. Click on this and then click on playback speed. You can now select the playback speed you want from the options or choose a custom speed if you want. On mobile devices within the YouTube app, tap on the video whilst it's playing and then tap on the cog icon in the top right. Now tap on playback speed and choose one of the available options from the list. And so that is how to change YouTube video playback speed on both desktop and mobile devices. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.